In this video, I'll show you how to stop YouTube from saving your watch history using the latest 2026 method. If you'd rather keep your viewing habits private or simply want YouTube to stop using your watch activity to influence recommendations, this setting can be changed in just a few taps. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone and tapping your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and choose Manage All History. Depending on your device, YouTube may redirect you to your Google account activity controls, where all of your YouTube activity settings are managed. Once you're on the activity page, tap the Controls tab. Here, you'll see an option called Include the YouTube videos you watch. This setting allows Google to save the videos you watch to your YouTube history. Simply uncheck this option to stop YouTube from recording your future watch activity. A confirmation message will appear explaining that pausing watch history may affect features such as personalized recommendations and the ability to quickly find videos you've watched before. If you're comfortable with that, tap Pause to confirm your choice. After completing these steps, YouTube will no longer save the videos you watch to your account history. Keep in mind that this doesn't delete your existing watch history. It only prevents new videos from being added going forward. If you'd like, you can also delete previously saved watch history from the same activity page. Your watch history is now paused. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.